Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove members from a Trello workspace. So once you're inside Trello here guys, if you want to remove members or delete them, it's very easy. You can remove a particular member by simply going to the section here. When you have the Trello home dashboard, you can simply go down to members and you will find all of those members that you've added here within Trello. Once you find that member that you want to delete, you just simply click on remove. You can also remove a member. Let's say you give them admin rights or something like that. You can change this to a normal, let's say, user, and that's somehow kind of taking away some of the privilege, let's say, from them. Or you can easily go ahead and just delete the member here by simply removing the member and simply remove from a workspace, or even to deactivate that specific member. So you really want, you can go ahead and you can choose both options. So you can go ahead and remove them, or you can even deactivate them. It's really up to you how you want to go ahead and do this. Now, another thing I want to mention is that in case you invite links, so let's say you click on invite with link, it's going to copy the link. But what I want to mention is that once you send out this particular link to people, it automatically still have the link enabled anyways, and so you need to go back here and disable this particular invite link. So you don't want to forget to disable this at a later point in time. You want to come back here and disable the link. So these are the two important things that you want to do. So how to delete or remove a member from your Trello workspace or from Trello in general, or you can simply disable a link if you send out links in the past to invite members to join you on Trello to collaborate. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.